Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to blur video background in CapCut. Blur is an effect and technique in photography and videography that can make certain objects in an image become out of focus so that they appear blurry and indistinct. The blur video effect can be created manually when taking or recording a video using the camera. In addition, you can also give a blur effect to the video using video editing application. You can use the blur effect in video editing apps to censor certain objects or parts of the video, make the video background blurry, and so on. And in this video, the tutorial with the CapCut application to make a background for your videos and make it blurry. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step, you have to open your CapCut apps on your iPhone, then tap new project to select the video that you want to blur the background. Tap add. After that, open the format menu in the bottom. Select one of the available video size formats. For example, I choose 4:3 video format. Then tap it back and open the canvas menu next to the format menu. After that, select the blur option. Then you have to choose the level of video background blur you want. Tap the check mark to apply a background blur in CapCut. That's all from me. Do you think this video is useful? I'm waiting for your response via the comment box at the bottom. That's all. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!